All right, now we got to get some safety glasses on because we don't want to lose an eyeball. Without an eyeball, we won't be able to see them Sheilas that are in. We got to go and chat up. So, now wander over here in my clean shed. Then we're going to get some safety spectacles. They're very clean. But anyway, we'll chuck them on. Better than nothing, eh? Anyway, go over here. Go and get the... Yeah, where's that gone? It's there. Anyway, we'll grab the big old... Wherever this is. Big old cutting machine. Anyway, we'll bring it down here. We'll get this. And bring... Whoa! Pull the trigger on it like that. That thing... Whoa! Anyway, we get this.